Hi Vinay.
Hi sir,
How are you?
I am fine sir. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Vinay Kumar. Where are you from?
I am from Karnool, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. And how do you know about SVC Training Institute?
One of my friends were suggested to join SVC Career Services.
Okay. And what did you learn from SVC during this 2 months training?
I learned complete accounting knowledge subjects.
Okay.
Financial accounting, financial statements, ratio analysis, derivative markets, financial markets, mutual funds.
Very good. Good to know that. And share your interview experience.
It's a good experience sir. They asked me more than 15 questions and almost I answered all of the questions.
Okay.
After 1 week, I got call from company
Okay. And what is the salary package?
3.6 LPS.
Very good. And when you are going to join?
Already last week I joined.
Congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you for your support and help.